Hello there, my name is Maria Kadiri, and in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a software that I use as a virtual assistant to organize my work and stay productive. So, are you a business owner and you're looking for an all-in-one software that can help you manage your work and manage your clients at the same time? Then this video is for you because in the next 5 minutes, I'll be taking you through Monday.com, an all-in-one software that helps you handle your CRM and your work management. So if you're ready, let's get started. So in this presentation, I'm going to be walking you through Monday.com. So this is a presentation on introduction to Monday.com, an all-in-one CRM and work management tool. Alright, so let's go. Now, what is Monday.com? Monday.com is a work management platform. It's also a CRM platform. What do I mean by CRM? CRM means customer relation management. So Monday.com is like a multipurpose tool. It's like a multipurpose software that you can use to manage your work, manage your task, manage the different stages of your work. And it's also a CRM tool where you can manage your clients' relation, where you can track leads, follow up your customers, and automate emails that you can send to them. Now, you can also see Monday.com as a digital control room. What do I mean by that? So Monday.com is like a digital board where everyone work together. You can see the progress of your work. You can see what work is assigned to who. You can see the progress of any work. If you have any file that you have to share. So it's like one central place where a team of people can actually share files, see the progress of their work, and work in collaboration with each other. Monday.com can also be seen as a customizable spreadsheet. So unlike your traditional Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet, Monday.com is much more flexible. It's customizable. For instance, you can have different view of a particular data in Monday.com. So aside from the normal board view of Monday.com, you can have it as a form view, as a Gantt view, or as a Kanban view. So it's much more flexible, it's customizable, and it's easy to use. It's not like a traditional spreadsheet where you only have one kind of view. So it's like a smart tool. It's not so manual. Everything about it is drag and drop. One key thing you have to take out of here is that Monday.com is replacing so many apps. So instead of you using like 2 to 3 apps to achieve one purpose, you can actually use Monday.com. I've mentioned it. So instead of you having like Google Sheets, Google Doc, Google Slides, you can have Monday.com that can combine the function of all these 3 apps. So once you come into Monday.com, once you open a Monday.com account, the very first thing you do is to open your company in Monday.com, which is like your workspace. Now after workspace, you create a board. A board is what you create inside a workspace. Now it's like creating a department in your company. So when you create your company as a workspace, now you have different departments. So a board is like a department inside your company. So after creating a board, you now have your groups. So a board contains different groups. Now these groups means that different tasks are going to be grouped according to a common feature. So in a board you could have 3 groups of like work in progress, work completed, and work delivered. Okay, so now in a group there are items. So group contains similar items. Now for every item there are columns. Columns gives extra information about every item. So Monday.com also has an automation interface where you can automate your task. If a task wants to move from one particular status to another, say from work in progress to completed, then you can use automation to automate that. You can also use automation to send emails to your clients to tell them that their jobs are ready. Monday.com also have the integration feature where you can integrate your tools. You can integrate Gmail, you can integrate Google Doc, you can integrate all forms of apps in Monday.com. Monday.com can also help with CRM, customer relation management. It helps you to do follow-up, it helps you to track leads, and it helps you to communicate with your customers and have a good relationship with your customers. Now, Monday.com can be used by any business, from fashion to engineering to marketing to tech. To any kind of business can actually use Monday.com. Now, with Monday.com, there is no more who is doing what. You have a clear assignment for everybody. There's no missed tasks because there are reminders. You can set reminder for everyone that is expected to do a particular task. So you can also set due dates for everyone. So you can actually use Monday.com to replace a lot of apps instead of you juggling between different apps. And also, there's no manual working with Monday.com. You can automate a lot of processes, so you can also save time. Finally, we'll be discussing why should you start using Monday.com today. You should start using Monday.com today because it's easy to learn and use. It's drag and drop. The learning curve is very smooth. You don't have to learn Monday.com for long before you can understand it. You don't even need to write a line of code. So there are some automations I've done on Monday.com that I never wrote a line of code. So Monday.com is accessible anywhere. So sometimes when I finish working on my computer and I have to go out, I can on the go access my Monday.com app on my phone and update whatever information is sent to me on the work I was doing before I logged off. So I hope I've been able to take you through this 5-minute presentation. You now understand what Monday.com is, what it can do for your business, and how you can get started. So my final words: start automating today. Pick one task today and start automating. If you need my help, I'm at beacons.ai/mariakadiri.com. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.
Living life, see my fire burning bright within